game is that? So that's your game?
What is it?
Modern Warfare 2.
Thanks.
So that's your game, JB?
He's your friend Santa.
Dude, every time Lisa's over for now, one over mine. Dude, getting me too.
It's hard to tell if he's excited.
Tyler's 20's up.
Woohoo! Come on, dude. Come on, dude. You don't have it all off to open it.
Yeah! All day.
Ooh, Black Ops.
Like Ops.
Go ahead, JB. Call of Duty Black Ops is what you got there. Malia's gonna learn how to play that so she can kill Mikey online. Doesn't he have
I got
that?
the best game, dude. You got another game right there, dude.
Everything on his.
That's another good. I told you. I called it.
Modern Warfare 3.
Oh!
That too.
That's MW3, Dad.
Yeah, bigger smile.